How to fade in and out video in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to proceed, I'm going to go ahead and show you my timeline right here. So I have added this video right here, and in order for us to add it fade in, what we are going to do is head over here until you see this red icon right here. Now you can just go ahead and right click and then click apply default transition. As you can see, it has applied cross dissolve, which is a fade in and the default transitions that you have here in Premiere Pro. So if I were to play this, you can see that there is a fade in. Now you can go ahead to the last part and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go ahead and right click and click apply transitions. And you can see that now we have a fade out. Now, if you are going to go ahead and adjust this one, you can just go over and see the red icon right here. And then you can just go ahead and drag this to make it longer. Or you can just go ahead and drag it to the right to make it shorter. So that's just how easy it is to adjust. Again, we're going to go ahead and play this one. Alright, there you go. So it's going to be the same thing with the fade in. Alright, and that is how you are going to fade in and out video in Premiere Pro.